Helpful driver education lessons you can't miss. In an effort to enhance road safety and reduce accidents, driver education programs are introducing crucial lessons that every new driver should master. These pivotal instructions range from the basics of vehicle control to advanced defensive driving techniques, equipping learners with comprehensive skills necessary for today's challenging driving conditions. As traffic congestion rises and distractions become more prevalent, these educational enhancements aim to foster a culture of safe and responsible driving. Among the standout lessons is the emphasis on situational awareness and hazard perception. This involves teaching drivers to anticipate potential dangers by scanning their surroundings continuously, understanding other road users' behaviors, and reacting appropriately to unexpected events. Additionally, hands-on training in emergency maneuvers such as sudden braking and evasive steering provide students with practical experience that can be life-saving in critical moments. Another integral component is digital citizenship on the road, addressing modern challenges like phone use while driving. Programs now incorporate interactive modules highlighting the severe consequences of distracted driving through real-life scenarios and virtual simulations. By focusing not just on traditional road rules, but also adapting to contemporary issues, these innovative drive-ed lessons ensure that novice drivers are well prepared to navigate safely in a fast-evolving automotive landscape.